So you have your breathe or air sample. Here is how to use it. If you're using it as a decongestant for any sorts of respiratory issues, whether on the chest or around this area, you put a few drops on your hand, 2 or 3, rub your hands together, take some deep breaths in. This will really help to open up your airways and help you to get that air into your lungs. You can also rub that on your chest. This will allow it to go into your bloodstream within that area and you'll continue to inhale it. So a lovely way to do that. The other thing that you can do is rub it on the soles of your feet, particularly for things like snoring or for relief for younger children where you might not want to put it so close to their face. So lovely one to use for coughing or any sorts of respiratory issues, particularly during the seasonal threats are high. It's a really nice one to be able to open up those airways. So lastly, the other use is for any sort of panic attacks. It really helps to be able to open up those airways and take a deep breath. So enjoy your breathe sample.